Here's another view of it, folks. This one you can really see it. I'm going to do a quick overview here. You see the fountains, and then you can see it says the officer vows to lead a life of pride, to exhibit through one's conduct respect for self, for others, and for the agency. That's what it says. I mean, it is pretty nice here. There's the flags up ahead here again. Pan around here. You can see it's behind. There's a little church behind it. Looks almost like a Episcopal church. And you can see some of these little benches have people's names on them here. I tell you what, it's a great way to be remembered here. So, it's amazing. Not everybody I know likes cops, but you know, when really bad things happen, you really need them, I'll tell you. I mean, there are certain circumstances where that's one thing you don't want to go without. I can tell you that for sure. Just beautiful, beautiful flowers. It's just so nicely well done here. And then you can see these statues of the officers here. Well, anyway, God bless, God be praised. I'll tell you what, bye for now.